what I'd like to start off with is by advising everyone that the market has softened. We have never seen pricing of these levels during the peak season, particularly November, December. We're pricing pretty much halved over a period of a couple of weeks. Leading into the Chinese New Year, which is the January-February period, which is traditionally very slow in our market, we found that the levels have been dropping on a regular basis. Where at the moment it's at levels that were pre-pandemic, so the market has softened significantly. The space on shipping lines has also reduced, so we're seeing some very good pricing, particularly on the import side of our business. With regards to exports, export sea freight, we've also seen some softening in pricing, some price reductions with space availability, considering that there were times there that we couldn't get space on vessels to certain ports. At the moment there's a lot of suppliers or shippers that are running late with production. Air freight at the moment is softening as well. We're finding that there's more space coming in and out of predominantly Asia and Europe. We've got some very good partners that we consolidate cargo out of pretty much most hubs in Europe coming into Australia. The pricing levels have dropped at least 30% in the last, say, 60 to 90 days. Anyone that's looking to import or export in the coming months is the fact that we're still seeing that there's a fair bit of issues with staffing, not just in Australia, but all around the world. So we have seen delays in shippers or suppliers making their cargo available on deadlines that were agreed. So I'd probably, push customers or consignees to make sure that they have enough lead time in regards to meeting their deadlines, with delays from shipping to transport to deliveries to unpacking of containers, quarantine issues. So yeah, I would really push customers to make sure that their lead times and their deadlines are met, and they put enough time into that logistics movement to be able to meet cut-offs, meet ETAs, meet quarantine requirements, customs requirements, and at the end of the day, the delivery deadline.